It's recording. So today I'm going to show you my new mic.
I've been a million places and never see a million faces, but I feel supernatural.
Da-da-da! Here's a video micro from ROD. Yes, it's look tiny, cheap, not too much expensive. It's compact on camera, microphone. It cost me about $50. It's included with a DJI Osmo's quick release mount. Yes, 360 mic mount, quick release 360 mic mount. Okay, so I don't know, ROD and DJI was cooperated with each other for a long time. So I got this free. Okay, I got this free when I buy this video micro from ROD. So let's do unboxing. My Swiss knife. Open. Shit. Just open. Da da da. There we go. Tap. Shit. It's cute. And that is all. Yes. So I'm going to open it right now too. Yes, I found that another store was sold this Osmo separately. So if you charge you $50 to $20 more. So okay, I got video micro from ROD and got a free Osmo's quick release mount. Yes, it's for free from a DJI. Okay. A small instruction manual. Cool. Wow, very cool. Okay, here it is. A quick 360 quick bullet mount from a DJI. Yeah. Da, da, da. Yeah, so now I'm recording with my Sony a6500. Wow. But here it is, a mic, okay? So we'll learn how to put it in here. And I have a cable right here. Okay, and then I have an instruction manual. So I'm trying to put it in. Okay, here we are. The best thing about video micro is that it's not require a battery to power this mic, so I can put directly to my Sony a6500. I'm going to test a video mic with my Sony a6500. Okay, right now I'm using my video micro on a Sony a6500, so you can hear different sound without micro. And now I put on my Sony a6500. So yes, you can hear different between no mic and with mic. Now you can see I'm going to record it right now. Yes, here it is. I'm going to speak. Hello, hello, hello. Okay. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello. So now I'm staying at the back of my camera. Hello, hello, hello. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. Okay, so now I'm take it off. Okay. So yeah, thank you for watching this video. And for this one, I don't know how to use it, and I will find out how to use it later. Bye. 厉害。